If you want to try something new, or if you're a sashimi lover, try Santino Seafoods, located at 1 Dryde Street, Quezon City. I will also leave their Facebook page on the comment section. You can also visit their Instagram posted on the video. Thank you for watching. Hi mga sashimi lovers! For today's video, kakain tayo ng sashimi! Shoutout nga pala sa Santino Seafoods. Dito ako palaging umu-order ng favorite kong spicy salmon. Let's try their ultimate platter. Yan, ganito kalaki yung ultimate platter nila. May spicy salmon, salmon sashimi, spicy tuna, tuna sashimi, and last but not least, uni. Umorder na rin ako ng California Maki. Ang kapal, laki.